Hello friends, welcome to Automation Community. In the previous videos, we have discussed some examples. Today, in this video, I am going to show you another example. We will be using normally open contacts as well as normally closed contacts. We will also be using some logic gates like OR, AND. So, let's look at the example first. Example 5. If switch 1 is on, then motor 1 and motor 2 will be on. If switch 2 is on, then motor 2 and motor 3 will be on. If switch 3 is on, then motor 3 and motor 4 will be on. And if switch 4 is on, then motor 1 and motor 4 will be on. That means for motor 1 to be on, either switch 1 or switch 4 should be on. For motor 2 to be on, either switch 1 or switch 2 should be on. For motor 3, either switch 2 should be on or switch 3 should be on. And for motor 4 to be on, either switch 3 or switch 4 should be on. So let's move to EcoStruxure Machine Expert, where we will draw a ladder diagram for this example. Now, we will open EcoStruxure Machine Expert. We will keep read protection as inactive and write protection as inactive, then click on apply. Then we will go to configuration tab and select a logic controller. I will be using TM221C24R. I will click on it and drag it to here. Do you want to replace? Yes. Then I will go to serial line and select protocol as TMH2GDB and then click on apply. Then I will click on programming tab. So here we will be drawing ladder logic for the example. I can also click on this option for a full screen mode. I can also zoom into it. So for motor 1 to be on, either switch 1 and switch 4 should be on. We will connect switch 1 and switch 4 with motor 1 and implement an OR gate. We will insert two normally open contacts. I'll click on it and insert it here. Another normally open contact and insert it here. Now I will insert a coil and I will click here. So now we need to connect the normally open contact. I will draw a line like this. And then I will assign addresses to the contacts as I 0.0 and I 0.3. I will also add symbol as switch 1. Yes. And switch 4. Yes. Now I will also add address to the coil as Q 0.0 and add symbol as motor 1. Yes. So here for motor 1 to be on, either switch 1 or switch 4 should be on. Then for motor 2 to be on, either switch 1 should be on or switch 2 should be on. So we will insert another rung here and insert two normally open contacts. I'll click on it and then insert it here, and then again insert it here. Now I will add a coil. I will click on it and then click here. So now I need to connect the normally open contact. I will draw a line like this. Now I will assign addresses to these contacts as I 0.0 and I 0.1. I will add symbol as switch 2. Yes. Now I will assign address to the coil as Q 0.1 and symbol as motor 2. Yes. So for motor 2 to be on, either switch 1 will be on or switch 2 will be on. Then for motor 3 to be on, either switch 2 should be on or switch 3 should be on. So we will connect switch 2 and switch 3 with motor 3. We will add another rung here, and again we will insert two normally open contacts and then another contact. Then I will insert a coil here. Then I will connect the normally open contact like this. Now I will assign address as I 0.1 and I 0.2. Add symbol as switch 3. Yes. And then address as Q 0.2 and symbol as motor 3. Yes. So for motor 3 to be on, either switch 2 should be on or switch 3 should be on. Then for motor 4 to be on, either switch 3 should be on or switch 4 should be on. So we will connect switch 3 and switch 4 with motor 4. We will insert another rung here. I'll click on add a new rung. And then I will insert two normally open contacts and a coil. I'll click on it and then click here. Now I will connect normally open contact with coil like this. And then assign address to the contacts as I 0.2 and I 0.3, which is switch 4. And I will also assign address to the coil as Q 0.3 and symbol as motor 4. Yes. So when switch 1 is on, motor 1 is on, and also motor 2 is on. And then when switch 2 is on, then motor 2 is on and also motor 3 is on. And then when switch 3 is on, motor 3 is on and motor 4 is also on. And when switch 4 is on, then motor 4 is on, and also when switch 4 is on, then motor 1 is also on. Now we will exit full screen mode and then compile the program. Now we will go to Commissioning tab and launch Simulator. I will start controller now. To do so, click OK. As you can see here, when I put switch 1 on, then motor 1 and motor 2 are on. And then when I put switch 2 as on, then motor 2 and motor 3 are on. And then when I put switch 3 as on, then motor 3 and motor 4 are on. And when I put switch 4 as on, then motor 4 is on, and also motor 1 is on. As you can see here, we have used normally open contacts here and implemented OR gate. In rung 0, we have implemented OR gate. As you can see, in all these rungs, we have used OR gate to implement when switch 1 is on, then motor 1 and motor 2 is on. And when switch 2 is on, then motor 2 and motor 3 are on. And when switch 3 is on, then motor 3 and motor 4 are on. And when switch 4 is on, then motor 4 and motor 1 are on. It was all about example 5. Thank you for watching.